The microphone market is very hard and it's very difficult to understand, especially as a new creator. You just start your YouTube channel, also you're planning to join Twitch, you want to do live streams, podcasting, gaming, but it's very hard to find the right microphone that works with all your platforms. But luckily, I have the microphone here. So the company is called Fifine technology. The model of the microphone is K052. This is a USB microphone. It's a desktop microphone. Super easy to set up. Also, we have some nice features here that you'll find only in the high-end microphones, but I'll show you in the video. Let's see what comes in the box and then I'll show you how to set up the microphone. Super easy, and then we'll test the microphone. So let's see what comes in the box first. Okay, pretty easy to open. So we have information about the company, which is pretty good. Also on the top we have the user manual of the microphone, but I'll show you how to set up the microphone in the video. And on the top, which I think is a pretty secure box. Yes, that's pretty good. So overall it's pretty secure box. And we have the microphone here, which is pretty good. This is a desktop microphone and is compatible with iOS and Windows. As you can see, I think looks pretty good. But before we go with all the features, let me show you how to set up the microphone. Okay, so let me show you how to set up the microphone. It's super easy. So just plug the microphone to one of your USB ports on your Mac, and let's go to System Preferences, and then you'll tap on the sound icon 2 times. And as you can see here now, you can choose the USB audio device. So click on the USB audio device. And here the output volume, make sure it's about 80 to 85%. And this is the way how to set up your microphone. The reason that I think this microphone stands out from the other microphones is obviously the price. The price is 38 British pounds in UK. In the States it's 45 USA dollars. But the features, yes, we have 2 cool features which I think is a very good. And obviously you can find these features in the high-end microphones. But obviously you need to spend a lot of money. But we have the features here, so that's why this microphone stands out from other microphones. Obviously the price and the features, and I think it looks pretty good. It's a desktop microphone. I like the design. You can move it up and down, which is pretty good, and overall it's nice. Under the base you'll find very good material. This is good to protect your desk. Also doesn't move a lot. But the feature that I'm talking about is very good. So on the top you'll see a mute button. This is very helpful if you want to mute yourself for a couple of seconds, or if you want to take a break. This is very good. But the feature that I like a lot is the mic volume. This is super helpful if you live stream online with your friends, you play games, and some of your friends says, "Hey Stefan, what's going on? I cannot hear you properly." Problem solved. You just crack the volume up and you're ready to go. So that's why I think this microphone stands out from the microphones due to these 2 features. And now it's time to test the microphone. At the moment I'm recording with my camera. This is the Canon 200D. This is the external microphone from the camera. And now we'll switch to K052 from Fifine technology in 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the K052 Fifine desktop microphone. So as you can see, the microphone is not far away from me. The volume is now it's about 50%, so I'm gonna put the microphone a little bit closer to see the difference. So as you can see, the microphone, obviously as you can hear, the microphone sounds pretty good. So the reason that I like the microphone is obviously the mic volume and obviously the mute button that I'm going to press now. So to see the difference when you mute yourself. So now I'm back, as you can see. But yeah, overall the sound is pretty good. I'm gonna move it this side towards my face. So I think it's a pretty good. So this is about 50%. Now I'm going to crack the volume up to 75%. 75%. I'm watching the gain on the computer to see if it's high. Obviously I'm using the QuickTime player on my Mac, so I hope sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna crack the volume up to 100%. This is 100%, so let's see. I hope this sounds pretty good, doesn't muffle, does not disturb sound, but this is a raw audio. No extra editing or anything that usually people do on when they record. This is a raw audio, so the audio is exactly the same from my recording app, which is pretty good. But overall, I think the sound is pretty nice. So that's why I recommend this microphone, because obviously you can live stream, you can do podcasting. For YouTube is pretty good and it's very nice. So that's why, and plus the price is pretty good. You cannot beat 38 British pounds. So even 45 USA dollars, the price is pretty good. So now I'm gonna put the volume again to 75%. And I'm gonna move it. Now it's 50%. So now I'm gonna move it close to my mouth, 50%. So I hope this is pretty good. I think this is the right place to monitor your microphone. Or for example, let's say you have your PC. So you have your PC close to you and you obviously you stream and you want to crack your volume, so you can do that. So let's put it again, 75%. This is 75%. This is 100%. So again, I hope doesn't sound bad, but overall it's pretty good. Now I'm gonna do something very interesting. I'm gonna put the microphone far away from the camera, so to see if this is gonna work. So let me put the microphone on 50%. Let me put my Mac far away. So obviously the cable is 2 meters, so this is pretty good. So now I'm gonna crack the microphone. So this is 50%, so it's gonna be far away. So it's about 1 meter. Let me put it away. Yeah, so it's about 1 meter, maybe meter and a half. So this is up to 50%. Now I'm gonna crack the volume 100%. Okay, so this is 100%. I hope sounds pretty good. I'm watching the gain. The gain goes up, which is pretty good. So I hope the microphone sounds pretty good. So yeah, overall I think the microphone is nice for different situations, for live stream, for YouTube. The design is pretty good. But yeah, let me know what do you think. Definitely this microphone is pretty good for all your platforms. But yeah, it's good.